Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher here. A student emailed me this morning saying that the Queen in her COVID-19 address mentioned in her last words, "We'll meet again." And "We'll Meet Again" is a song by Vera Lynn that became popular in World War II for people that were sent away from home or sent to fight off the war, saying, "We'll meet again some sunny day." It's a sad song and hopeful, and the student thought that that we'd benefit from the song. So the song is on my site. I thought I'd give it to everyone for free. You can find the link to the original lesson from a few years ago in the video description. When you click it, you can find the sheet music there in the video description as well, if that's how you learn music. It's a straightforward song. There are 4 chords: C major, we'll meet a E major, again, don't know, A major, when, don't know when, to D major. But I know we'll meet again some sunny day. 5 chords: G, C, E, A, D, G. Kind of nice circle of 5th song. Sing it if you can, learn it if you can, play it if you can. I'll say the words now, but go ahead, click a link in the description and you'll have access to the song. So the song goes, "We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Keep shining through, just like you always do, till the blue skies blow the dark clouds far away. Now won't you please say hello to the friends that I know. Tell them I won't be long now. They'll be happy to know that as you saw me go, I was singing the song. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day."